Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from the interview training company howtobecome.com, and in this presentation I will teach you how to pass your accounting assistant interview. So if you have an accounts assistant interview coming up for any company whatsoever, then please make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I'm going to help you to stand out and succeed. To achieve that goal, this is what I'll cover. I'll start off by giving you a list of accounting assistant interview questions that I strongly recommend you prepare for. I'll then provide you with example high-scoring answers to those questions to help you to succeed. Plus, I'll also make sure to give you some essential tips for passing your accounting assistant interview before finally telling you how you can download further resources, including all of the answers to help you to prepare. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to help you to pass your accounting assistant interview, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. And please don't forget to hit that like button, because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. Okay, let's take a look at that first accounting assistant interview question to prepare for, which is tell me about yourself. Now, this interview question is one that frequently comes up as the very first interview question that you'll have to answer, and sometimes it's phrased as introduce yourself. Now, this is your opportunity to get your interview off to a flying start, so make sure you talk about the skills and qualities you have. Do not talk about your home life or your personal life. Instead, focus on your passion for the role and the experience that you can bring to it. And finally, describe how you're going to add value to their company in the job role itself. So before I give you a brilliant scripted answer, here is one final tip for you. Make sure you download the job description and focus on telling them how your skills are a perfect match for it. It's really, really important that you do this, because that job description is your blueprint for answering these interview questions and scoring highly. So for example, if on the job description they state they're looking for someone who's a team worker or someone who's hardworking and professional, then make sure you use those exact words throughout your accounting assistant interview answers. So here's a brilliant example answer to help you. Tell me about yourself. Thank you for the opportunity to be interviewed for this position of accounting assistant with your organisation today. I have taken the time to thoroughly review the requirements for this position to ensure that I possess the knowledge, abilities and experience necessary to perform to a high standard in this position and contribute to your company's success. I have strong verbal and written communication skills, meticulous attention to detail, extensive experience in a variety of accounting software, and always work at a fast pace. My previous accounting manager commended me for efficiency and accuracy, organisational abilities, willingness to work additional hours when necessary to help compile important financial reports, and my initiative in pursuing my professional growth. If you employ me as your accounting assistant, I will go above and beyond to ensure that my responsibilities and assignments are completed in a timely manner and to the highest standard possible. My priority will always be to ensure that you see a positive return on your investment in me by supporting your business's financial objectives and helping you maintain your position as a market leader. Well, what a powerful way to get your interview off to a flying start and be that standout candidate. Let's move on to the next accounting assistant interview question, which is what has attracted you to accounting and this position? Now, the best way to answer this interview question is to show that you have genuine interest in accounting and that you want to work in the industry for the long term. That's really important. So in your answer, use this question as an opportunity to match the skills required for the role to your own skills. So again, look at that job description, look at the skills they're after, and then match those to the skills that you have yourself. So let's take a look at a brilliant example answer to help you. What has attracted you to accounting and this position? I'm interested in the position of accounting assistant for numerous reasons. Throughout my academic studies, I excelled in mathematics, and I truly wanted to pursue a career where I could use my educational qualifications and organisational skills. A reliable and competent accounting assistant is crucial to efficiently operating any accounting business or department. Consequently, so long as I do my job effectively, I should never be without a job, as accounting assistants will always be needed. I'm a hard-working and ambitious person who wants to build a long and fruitful career. Therefore, the possibility of growth within the accounting industry is particularly appealing. From a personal standpoint, those who work in the financial industry often manage their money effectively, and they may provide their family members and friends with financial guidance and expertise. Overall, this line of work is highly rewarding. You get to see the direct impact your work can make on the organisation, and your skills will always be in demand. Now don't go anywhere, as I still have more interview questions and answers to give you, but when you're ready, click that link in the top right hand corner. It'll take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download my 21 accounting assistant interview questions and answers for any company, and it's going to give you the edge in your interview, including the ones we're covering right now. Okay, here's the next accounting assistant interview question for you, and that is, what is your biggest weakness? Wow, this is a really tough one. When answering this tough interview question, do not say you're a perfectionist. Everyone says that, and it's not going to get you to score highly. Instead, you need to use a genuine weakness that is either not a match for the job role, or if you do choose a relevant weakness, make sure it is one that isn't critical to the success of the role, and show that you're working on improving it. So this demonstrates self-awareness and self-discipline when it comes to professional development. This is how you can score top marks for this tough interview question. So let's take a look at a brilliant top scoring answer. What is your biggest weakness? An area I've been working on to improve is learning advanced skills in Excel. Even though I have a strong foundation in the program, having used it for many years now, aware that there is always potential for development, especially in the accounting profession where Excel proficiency is essential. To develop my skills further, I've signed up to online courses to expand my knowledge of advanced Excel capabilities, such as advanced statistical modeling, pivot tables, and macros. And I also constantly practice with spreadsheets to ensure that I'm confident utilizing these features. I'm motivated to consistently develop my Excel skills, and I'm enthusiastic to learn more about how to utilize Excel in the most efficient way possible in an accounting capacity. So that's a really great answer. The next interview question to prepare for is, why do you want to be an accounting assistant with our company? Now this interview question is a tough one too. It's designed to weed out those who are applying en masse to all financial organizations. The hiring managers instead want to find those that truly respect and have a passion to work for their organization. So in your answer, you must demonstrate your passion for wanting to work for their company, show that you understand their brand and their reputation, and that you have a commitment for wanting to work for their organization for the long term. So let's take a look at a brilliant example answer to help you. Why do you want to be an accounting assistant with our company? I conducted thorough research on your organisation before submitting my application for this accounting assistant position. Working for a firm without first examining its values, operating style and future objectives is, in my opinion, one of the worst things you can do in any financial role. From my research, I learned that your organisation is one that values excellence, strives for progress, and obviously invests in its people by providing them with the necessary support to help them expand their skill set and take ownership of their professional development. I feel that working for your organisation will be truly gratifying because it is clear that you recognise the value of an accounting assistant to your company's success. Okay, the next interview question to prepare for is, what are the most important skills and qualities needed to be an accounting assistant? Now this interview question is testing your understanding of the job. The hiring manager wants to hire someone who is fully competent in the role. Therefore, you must demonstrate that you not only fully understand all of the skills and qualities needed, but that you already have the full skill set needed to excel in the job role itself. So let's take a look at a fantastic answer to help you. What are the most important skills and qualities needed to be an accounting assistant? An employer would expect an accounting assistant to possess a wide range of skills and attributes to perform in their role successfully. You must be extremely well organised, have great planning skills, and pay particular attention to detail. Accuracy in working with client documents is crucial for an accounting assistant to help the organisation reach its financial goals. Working efficiently and within strict timeframes and the ability to remain calm under pressure are also essential skills for any accounting assistant. For businesses to run smoothly, accounting assistants must be able to adapt rapidly to new circumstances, respond effectively to demands, and confidently use their own initiative. Accounting assistants must also be good with numbers, have strong analytical abilities, be competent in accounting software, and be able to produce and present comprehensive reports while contributing to the organisation's growth, improvement, and success. Now, in preparation for your accounting assistant interview, I also recommend you prepare answers to the following questions. Explain to me how you balance priorities when you have multiple projects on the go. What are your salary expectations in this role as an accounting assistant? Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? What is your greatest strength? We pride ourselves on being client-centric. Describe a situation where you've went above and beyond for a customer or client. Do you prefer working as part of a team, or are you better working alone? Describe a time when you've dealt with a difficult client. What would you hope to get out of this job as an accounting assistant? Describe a situation when you've had to work under pressure. How do you keep yourself up to date with the financial sector? Describe a time when you've managed multiple tasks all at once. How well do you work in a diverse team? Why have you chosen to work for our company over our competitors? So the next thing to do, if you'd like to download example answers to all of those questions, plus all of the other toughest interview questions for an accounting assistant role, then please make sure you click that button in the top right hand corner of this video right now. Head through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download these slides and get access to 21 accounting assistant interview questions and high scoring answers to each question in a PDF guide. You can literally have access and the slides within your inbox within 2 minutes from now, and it's guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your interview and also, more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like this one. And finally, if you'd like to connect with me directly on LinkedIn, I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your interview. Have a brilliant day.